Yeah. Quick update on what we've done. Transfer pump. That hose will come down, suck out the drum, goes up, through here, up, and into there. So it's going to fill this drum, so I don't have to lift anything. The whole idea of trying to get this truck is so I'm not climbing off and on it. Main 12 volt for soft wash. I've got to strap these down. I've run out of ties. I've got to neaten that up. Obviously that's going to go to the reel, but we're getting there. All that's plumbed. I'm not doing the pressure washer and downstreaming system until it warms up, so that way I only have to winterize this 12 volt every night. Which is going to be done by these valves. But yeah, so far so good. I do believe I've got all the plumbing done, so time to start wiring everything. I'm not sure whether to put the 5 gauge switch on the back or right there. I'm not sure yet. But there we go. Let me get these wires done. That's that fitted. I know it's all different, but it's just for soft wash pump, transfer pump. That's going to be to my downstream injector box, and I'm going to wire this light, hopefully if I can, because I'm not no electrician, to this one. So now I'm going to wire it all up. Yes, sir. Looking good. Switch is wired. You can see blue lights on. I have to go, that's why all this is packed in, to get more wire, because I've run out. I need to go from here into the box, from there into the box, wire on these switches. But what I've done, run it down through there, down, under, up to the truck battery. I hate having batteries on the back of the truck and keep charging them, so I just go right to the battery. If I have to change it once a year, I have to change it once a year. But my next washer I'm going to get is going to have an alternator, so I am going to have a battery there. So I might end up running it through there once or I'll just leave that and just use the battery for the power washer. But now I've got to run into town, get more wire, then I've got to come back, put all these reels on, get this wiring done. I hate running out of things and having to drive. It's 15 minutes, 20 minutes into town. I'm getting there, slowly. I put an inline fuse in here. I am going to put one of them 40 or 60 amp switches I can't remember what they're called, but they flick off. It'll come to me in a minute. One of them's going in there eventually. But there, that's as far as we've got. We'll go and get this wire, finish wiring these pumps up, get them done, tested, and then I'll start on the reels. Well, back, wired her up for now. I'm going to tidy everything up, but pump 1 over there, pump 2, he's running. Time to start putting the reels up. Oh, can't wait till this is done. Get the rest done before the daylight disappears on me. That's me done for the day. Literally all I've got to do is put the hoses on the reels and then test everything to make sure it's all working and I have no leaks. It's my water supply up to the top. The hose just wraps around here, then I've got banjo fitting on the end, clicks in there. Soft wash is going to go on here to that pump. High pressure reel. That's where the pressure wash is going to sit. That's not being hooked up till March. So what you see is what you get for now until I get the pressure washer, my downstream box and the remote controls. I'm probably not going to put that on until the pressure washer's done. These are all working. I have to tidy everything up, zip ties and bits and bobs. But as you can see, I should be ready next week for work. Worky work. It's been a long 2 days putting this all together. I actually can't feel my hands no more. Yeah. What is it?
Taste this.
All right, give me 1 second. Right, lunchtime.